So this is the Hamilton Beach FlexBrew. So it's a two-way coffee maker. So on one side you have the regular, you can brew a pot of coffee, and on the other side you can use K-cups to brew a single serve. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1. It's like right now I have 2 coffee pots, so this should eliminate one of them, hopefully. So, and I had watched the video for this, but there's an owner's manual, and then there's like a usage tips. You can also, and we'll see if it comes with it, but if you don't want to use the K-cups, then they have those little, they call it a funnel that you can put ground coffee in for a single serve instead of the K-cup. So take it out of the box. And I got this at Walmart. It was $79, which I had looked on Amazon. Might have been able to get a little cheaper, but I just wanted to go ahead and get it. They only had one, and these are always so hard to get out. There's a Cuisinart version, but it was like $200 on Amazon, and they didn't have it at Walmart. Okay. So just some packing material and some plastic wrap. So they have the glass carafe is separate. So it's up to 12 cups. I guess the only thing, my other coffee pot had like the reservoir. It didn't use a carafe, which I kind of like, but still, just to save counter space, it's nice to have one coffee pot instead of 2. Because on the weekends I brew a pot, but through the week I usually just make 1 cup, either before I leave work or to take along to work. It's kind of tight. Alright, so they just kind of have it taped up, but you can see on this side is the carafe brewing the pot, and then on this side is for the K-cup. And the K-cup goes in here. Yeah, I didn't see that funnel thing, so it doesn't look like it came with it, but I know you can buy them, they're not that expensive. So, and then this is like if you're using a cup, but if you have a travel mug, then it's taped up right now, but you can take this off so that your travel mug fits in there. So that's it. That's the Hamilton Beach, what's it called? Hamilton Beach FlexBrew. Be sure to subscribe and comment. Thank you. That's a wrap.